Hi, I'm Rhiannon from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and today I'm here to talk you through the Flaming Coals Dutch Oven range, the 4.5 quart and the 9 quart. Now, as you can see, both of these units come with a lid which can double up as a skillet. Just take the lid off and pop it straight over your piping hot coals. Now, these Dutch ovens are constructed out of cast iron, meaning that if you look after them, they're going to last you a lifetime. Whether you're wanting to cook a stew or a casserole, boil some water, or of course stir fry your vegetables over the coals, these Dutch ovens are perfect for your next camping trip. The 4.5 quart Dutch oven measures 25 centimetres in diameter and has a depth of 10 centimetres, while the 9 quart has a diameter of 31 centimetres and a depth of 13 centimetres. Both of these ovens are super high quality, very heavy, and absolutely perfect for your next camping trip.